Hey, welcome to another video of Mexican in the Kitchen. And I have some mushrooms here, I have some Thai chilies, I have some garlic. And first of all, we're starting by cleaning the mushrooms. You don't wash these mushrooms because they're like sponges and they get a lot of the water inside. So you'll just clean them with either with a piece of cloth or with a napkin. Just remove some of this dirt. It's not super important. Nothing really happens, but you can just clean them like that. Once you're done cleaning them, we have to cut them. And basically you can cut them in any size or shape you want. What I do is I cut them in half. I make a few slices like this, and then I just make smaller pieces out of it. Again, you can do it however you like, but this is how I like it. And I think this way, it's way easier to serve or to use it anywhere. Once we're done chopping the mushrooms, then we're gonna chop the whole garlic. And you have to chop it in small pieces because it will mix nicer with all the other ingredients. And now here I have all the Thai chilies, and you will hear how they have all the seeds inside. So basically what I do is cut it in half, and you will start shaking it and squeezing it a bit to get all those seeds out of there. And you don't have to get every single seed, but try to get as many as you can, and just repeat the whole process with every chili. Once you're done, you can just start cutting them, and they're dry, so you'll notice they're a bit crunchy, and you won't get perfect pieces, but try to make them like kind of even, or as even as you can. Once we chopped all the ingredients, we're gonna prepare the pan, and basically we're gonna use olive oil, and we'll cover the whole bottom of the pan. And we'll warm it up. Fire is on a 2 or 3 out of 6, and we'll just throw the chilies and garlic in. And it's better if you cook these very slowly, because we want all the flavor of the garlic and all the chili spice taste just to go into that oil. So after a while it will look like this. It will start smelling amazing, and that's when we throw all our mushrooms in. We'll just move them around. You'll notice the mushrooms start picking up a lot of that oil, so we want to mix all these ingredients together. And once they're mixed, we're gonna throw some salt on it. And you can use as much salt as you usually want. And after a while, we'll get this. You'll see that some of the water in the mushroom starts coming out. You'll have this watery, oily mushrooms and garlic and chilies, and it's amazing. That oil will give it a lot of flavor. That's why I serve it with this bread. You can serve it basically on anything, but just put some slices of white bread and let that oil soak it, because it will give it an amazing flavor. You can see how the oil goes there to the bread. It works perfectly with bread. You can also have it with maybe a cracker. You can have it with a tortilla. You can have it as a starter, have it as a snack if you're watching a game. You could even use this mix inside of a quesadilla. You can use it maybe on an omelette. It just works perfectly. Garlic, mushrooms, the chili. There's no way you can go wrong with this. And it's so simple, takes so little time, not much preparation time. You just chop everything, put it in there. So it's a great snack. So maybe you can try it. If you like the video, press like, subscribe, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one.